Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 3D logo. So I'm just going to create this like rectangle, and I'm just going to color it pink. Okay, you can color anything you want, of course, but I'm just going to color it this color, and I'm also going to round out the edges like this. Get the polygon tool, click it. 3 for the sides. We're going to create the play. I don't know why I've been not able to rotate it for some reasons. Hello, can I? $270 maybe? Whatever. And I'm going to color it white, or whatever color you want, and place it in the middle. I'm just going to select both, right click and group. Go to effect, go to 3D and select the inflate one. You can adjust these, you can adjust lighting as well here. I'll just do the standard one, and voila, that is it. Super simple. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.